Imagine a classroom where AI not only aids learning but transforms it. Today, we'll explore how educational frameworks must adapt for AI-enhanced cognitive growth. Traditional approaches like Bloom's taxonomy are no longer enough for our evolving world. The rapid rise of AI tools changes how we teach and learn. We must focus on higher-order cognitive skills and adaptive learning. Let's break down what that means and how to create effective curricula. First, we need to understand Bloom's taxonomy. It categorizes educational goals into levels, from basic knowledge to higher-level thinking. However, with AI, students now have access to vast information and unique learning styles. Next, we must introduce the new framework for curricula. This starts with developing critical thinking skills. In an AI world, students must analyze, evaluate, and create. These skills prepare them for real-world applications. Then we shift to adaptive learning pathways. This approach personalizes learning experiences based on individual student needs. AI can help identify strengths, weaknesses, and preferred learning styles, making education more effective. Another essential aspect is collaboration with AI. Educators must embrace AI as a partner rather than a replacement. By integrating AI into lessons, students learn to work alongside technology. This prepares them for future jobs and enhances their cognitive abilities. Let's consider a scenario. A student struggles with math concepts. An AI tool assesses their knowledge and tailors practice questions. Instead of standard drills, the AI offers engaging tasks suited to the student's ability. This targeted approach fosters deeper understanding and retention. In summary, we have explored how to adapt curricula for AI-enhanced cognitive development. We must prioritize critical thinking, adaptive learning, and AI collaboration. As traditional frameworks evolve, we can equip students for the future they will face. Let's take action. Start reassessing your own teaching methods today. Integrate AI tools, focus on higher-order skills, and create adaptive learning experiences. Together, we can revolutionize education for the better.